Hello, my name is Alexis Lozano, and today I'll be presenting a DECA case study, Business Operations. Background and challenge. I am working as a marketing director for Creed for You. After coronavirus hit the United States, we were forced to switch our workers from the office to work at home. After this, all our departments have split it in two parts. One is that they grow in efficiency, and the other one is lowering down. And then there's that one party where they stay the same. The challenge given to me is to develop a proposal to increase the overall efficiency in all departments. Operations role, technology use. As you can see, I've divided all the department's operation roles and technology into 4 different parts. Digital team, they're responsible for commission and reviewing customer research to develop and maintain product and the business vision. Technology used will be the selection frameworks and defines front-end coding standards for any technologies that will be used. Managing core systems and more. Creative team, the creative team is made up of several team members with creative directors, copywriters, editors, graphic designers, artists, and web developers. The creative role team member position is the problem-solving process, search for alternatives, and other actions using the certain level of creativity. Technologies, the people in this team, certain jobs will be including responsibility for building web projects and as well mobile and other digital experiences. Offline marketing is a strategy in which the advertisement of a product is done via offline channels and not online platform that is taken into consideration. The offline channels would be like billboards, signs, pamphlets, telemarketing, television ads, print, radio, and some online platform would be like Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, stuff like that. Market research. Market research is an organized effort to gather information about the target markets and customers. Technologies will be new opportunities as well as PIF. Departments data. This shows the overall data we are working with and how efficient they are during this time. As you can see, the digital team is a 50-50, which is like in between. Nothing has really like changed, but it has lowered down a little. For creative team, they have lowered down a lot in this change between home and office. Offline marketing has actually stayed the same, normal as always, office and home the same. Market research, it has increased. The people of this department have like improved a lot and the efficiency has increased a lot. Monitoring work. We are now working from home, but that does not mean any of us are supposed to abandon our work. I'll make sure that all our workers are efficient as possible without exhausting them. Some ways for me to keep them in check: call them to make sure they have started completed work, have small meetings to review the work that has been done, make sure they understand what they're supposed to do, reassure them that it's okay to ask questions, make sure they're in a good environment, check in on their emotional status, make sure that teams are created and flow well. These are ways for our workers so they don't start stressing out from working home and thinking that we're not for them and that it's a responsibility to keep everything in check. Well, that's my responsibility to help them understand that this is also my work. Improving coordinating work. As you can see, I've divided it into team members and other departments. I divided it like this because, as you can see in team members data, it shows that the efficiency has lowered down. And this is to make sure that of multiple things for improvement of the data. Team must be able to coordinate a professional meeting with sponsors to keep ties. As earlier and in the data given to me, it showed that our ties with our sponsors have been cut after this pandemic. Teams should be able to coordinate virtual meetings with each other to prevent any misunderstandings. We want all our employees to understand what they're doing, as mentioned before. When coordinating work to the teams, I'll make sure it's clear and direct to the point to prevent any arguments on the meeting. We want our team members to not be fighting. We want them to work as a team. Other departments. The other department may not be as affected as the team department, but that doesn't mean we will not stop improving and increasing the efficiency. Conclusion. I am giving this role as a manager and I will complete it with our employees. I'll make sure our employees feel the best while doing the best. I'll make sure that they're able to work to our company's expectations and make them feel proud of their work. We have now reached the end, and I would like to thank you for watching this video. And if you would like to contact me or my company. Our company's email is create4u@gmail.com. Company's phone number is 1-800-C4U-6789.